Most webmasters who use WordPress use mostly posts. The only pages most WordPress sites have are About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and Disclaimers. But for affiliate websites of the kind we are building, posts are not suitable. The key difference between pages and posts is this: posts are time sensitive, while pages are not. For news type websites, posts are ideally suited. Such sites are frequently updated, even several times a day. The blog always stays up to date with the latest news, and posts are ideal for this kind of a website. We are not building these news type sites. The bulk of the content on the kind of sites we are building is not about the latest deals and coupon codes. These sites are filled with information like buying guides, features to look for in products, and the like. This is not time sensitive information. We are building sites that are more like static HTML sites. Once your affiliate site has about 50 to 150 pages of content, you might not update it very frequently. Once your site reaches that size, you might publish a new page every week or even once in a few months. While news type sites are updated several times a day, the kind of affiliate websites we are building are updated very infrequently once they reach a certain number of pages. In news type sites, new posts are linked to from the home page, while older posts scroll off of the home page. Posts that are linked to from the home page tend to rank higher, and posts that scroll off of the home page tend to rank lower. In affiliate sites like the ones we are building, important pages are permanently linked to from the home page and from other key areas of the site wherever needed, the top menu bar, sidebars, and so on. We give a lot of importance to internal linking of pages within the site to boost their relevance and even put pages within categories, a feature that's not built within WordPress. Posts tend to rank better in the short term, while pages tend to rank better in the long term. We desire long-term, stable rankings, and that is why we use pages and not posts. We use a static home page instead of displaying posts, as WordPress is set to do by default, to boost the relevance of the site to whatever topic we want to rank for. By default, WordPress displays a list of the latest posts on the front page. As you keep adding new posts, older posts scroll off of the home page and the newer ones are displayed at the top. This kind of structure works very well for news sites, but we are not looking to build news sites here. This kind of structure is not suitable for affiliate sites. If a page is to be very relevant to a certain topic, it has to have scores of LSI words related to the topic. As we will see in a while, when we get to discussing LSI, we put in a lot of effort to make sure every page meets certain criteria. Moreover, every page needs to have a certain structure to it. It will need to have a table of contents, several images, and at least 2000 to 3000 words of content. We will see all of this in a while. If the posts are scrolling off of the home page, you will not be able to ensure the home page has a structure that's needed to rank. If the content of the home page is constantly changing, as it will happen here, its relevance to the topic constantly changes. The home page is a very important page on your site. We use it to boost the relevance of every important page on the site. We use a multi-step process here to do that. First, we make sure the home page is highly relevant to the topic of the site. Next, we link from the home page to all of the important pages on the site, boosting their relevance as well. We also link back to the home page from the other pages on the site, boosting the relevance of the entire site. For all of this, it's essential that the content on the home page be static. It should not be constantly changing, which is why we use a static front page as the home page. To configure WordPress to show a static page as the front page, go to Settings, Reading, choose a static page here, and choose a page to be displayed as the front page. Choose another page to be the posts page in case you will be using posts on your site. Save changes. If we now refresh this, now the front page is a static page.